Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
I'm meteorologist Kyle Keel. Threat tracker stays in the green today as we are expecting actually a pretty decent December day as we end the work week. We will have decreasing clouds, so do expect some sunshine here later today. Tomorrow into Sunday, not much in the way of sunshine. In fact, rain does become likely here as we head into tomorrow morning. I've got threat tracker in the yellow just because it will be some moderate to heavy rainfall to be a little bit breezy. Sunday, there's a chance for light wintry mix later in the day. We'll talk about that here in just a moment. First, we'll show you the forecast today. We'll have decreasing clouds, temperatures upper 30s north, lower 40s to the south, so overall not too bad of a day. With a light west wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That wind does start to pick up here tonight. It'll be out of the southeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures will be in the upper 20s to near 30 degrees. Now, late after midnight, that's when we do start to track in the potential of a little precipitation. Notice here at 3 o'clock, most of that is off to the west of Interstate 35. We've got a strengthening storm system that's going to open up the Gulf of Mexico, so that southerly flow is going to bring in some heavy rainfall here as we head throughout the day on Saturday. Here we are at 8 o'clock. Most of the area, at least the southern and western half of the area, going to see some rain. But notice north of Highway 20, this pink shading, this is where we could see a brief wintry mix or some light freezing rain. But notice by 9 or 10 o'clock, those temperatures will already warm above freezing. And we're talking plain old rain here throughout the day on Saturday. Watch as we head toward the late afternoon, early evening hours. We start to see that rain become more widespread. And a lot of moisture is going to allow for some locally heavy downpours. In fact, by 8 o'clock, that's likely when we're going to reach our daytime highs. So we're talking temperatures close to 50 degrees, perhaps some lower 50s to the south. This is where we could also see a few rumbles of thunder as well. That rain's going to continue to lift off to the north here through the early morning hours on Sunday. So as you wake up Sunday morning, maybe you're heading off to church early in the day, we will see some brief light rain or maybe a little bit of freezing drizzle, but a lot of the day will actually be just cloudy with that area of drizzle. You'll notice not much showing up here on Future Track, but that backside is going to be swinging our way here as we head late Sunday into Monday. So this light snow that you see off into the western portion of the state will move in as we head late Sunday night into Monday. Any accumulation will be on the light side and mainly in northern Iowa, so that is something that we will continue to track. As for rainfall totals through Sunday morning, again, that's when the bulk of the rain will be here, late Saturday through Sunday. We'll see generally 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches of rain. Locally, we could see upwards of 2 inches of rain, especially in those areas that do see the thunderstorms. City by city forecast has highs close to 50 both Saturday and Sunday. In fact, I think Saturday night we'll likely see those temperatures warm throughout the night, but by about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, we'll start to see that cool down. So those numbers you see Sunday will be very early in the morning and likely holding steady or falling throughout the day as we do track that potential for a little bit of wintry mix here during the day on Sunday. Again, it's mainly going to be in the form of light rain and drizzle, but late Sunday into Monday, we do have that light wintry mix changing over to some light snow. Again, only minor accumulation. It will turn pretty windy here throughout the next several days.